Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video, we are going to see that if you are using BHIM IndusPay application and if you have already added multiple bank accounts in that, and if you want to check out your account balance, then what are the steps involved in that I'm going to explain in today's video. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and without wasting any time, let's start the video. To check bank account balance in BHIM IndusPay application, you have to open the application first. Once you start the application, it will ask you to enter 6-digit app PIN. So you have to enter the PIN over here and then you have to click on sign in option. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. On the home screen, you will get multiple details like your full name. You will be able to check your UPI ID, the last login details, which is date and time for the last login. You have an option to pay, scan QR code and collect money. And below that, you have an option to check out your recent transaction. So that's it for the home screen. Now, if you want to check account balance, then what you have to do is you have to click on 3 vertical dash, which is present on the left hand side top corner. After selecting that, you will get multiple options over here, as you can see, but you have to select my accounts option. And after selecting my account option, we are on the next page. And on this page, you will be able to check out your UPI ID and the bank account which you have already linked in the application. So now currently you can see there are 2 bank accounts which I have already added in the application. Now, if I want to check balance of any of this account, then at the bottom of each bank account, you will be able to see an option of balance inquiry. Now, for example, if I want to check account balance of IndusInd bank account, then I will click on balance inquiry below that. So if I do that, now it is asking me to enter 6-digit UPI PIN. So you have to enter 6-digit UPI PIN over here and then you will be able to check your balance. So I will do that very quickly. So after entering the UPI ID correctly, you will be able to see your current balance. So this is the simple step. Now, same with the other bank. Now, if I want to check, account balance of Kotak Bank, I will simply click on balance inquiry. I will enter the 6-digit UPI PIN. And after entering that, you can simply check out your account balance. So these are the simple steps you have to follow if you want to check your bank account balance in BHIM IndusPay application. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. It was a simple video. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.